you want to learn how I made an extra $100,000 using Psychology Today? Watch the video and learn more. So number one, I advertise a high-paying niche on my account. I offer substance use evaluations, anger management, psychological testing, and evaluation services on my profile. I'm using keywords on my profile to let people know exactly what I do. And I put those keywords into my profile, so my profile will rank for those services. Number two, I optimize my account to be shown on Psychology Today. I make sure that my top specialties are shown. My top specialties are testing and evaluation, substance use and anger management. Remember, I offer high-paying, high-niche services, so I want to make sure that those are listed on my account. So testing and evaluation is number one on my account. Number three, you want to create a video advertising your services. What's up, this is Derek Collins with the Divergence Center, and if you're looking for court-approved evaluations, SAP evaluations, or evaluations for work, we will be happy to help you out. Give us a call at 404-503-8069. Number four, you want to have a great photo that stands out from the crowd. Make sure that you stop the scroll. So you want to have a picture that looks like no one else's picture on the Psychology Today account. Number five, advertise your website on your profile and make sure you contact people back as soon as they contact you. Answer your phones, respond to emails, and go get your money. Number six, advertise in areas where there's low competition. If you want to learn more tricks like this, go to marketyourprivatepractice.com and take our Ultimate Psychology Today course, where you're going to learn how to make more money on Psychology Today.